Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your United Concordia Member Portal, secure access guide step by step clearly. To log into your United Concordia Member Portal, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the United Concordia Member Portal. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure that both your username and password are spelled correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button on the page. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will have access to various member resources. If you encounter any issues, check your username and password for accuracy. You may also want to ensure your internet connection is stable. For further assistance, contact United Concordia Customer Support. This will ensure uninterrupted access to your member portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.